Are you tired of being stuck in a never-ending cycle of relying on drugs and prescriptions to treat nerve damage? The solution could be just in your kitchen cupboard. Join us on a wellness adventure as we reveal a plethora of excellent natural drinks designed to help prevent and cure nerve damage. From unexpected kitchen staples to exotic health elixirs, we'll delve into a wide selection of nerve-nourishing liquids. Each drink is not only backed by science, but also by integrated health professionals, ensuring you not only the tastiest, but also the most effective solutions for nerve mending. This video goes beyond merely listing the drinks. It delves into why they work. We hope to make your route to recovery more understandable by breaking down the important components in each beverage that help to nerve health. Whether you want to avoid potential nerve injury or are already on the road to recovery, this film will educate you on the transformational power of natural healing. Green tea. First on our list is the ever-popular green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea is known for its neuroprotective properties. The polyphenols in green tea, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, that's EGCG, may have a protective effect on nerves, potentially reducing the risk of nerve damage. Bone broth. Next up is bone broth. Rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals, bone broth provides essential nutrients that support nerve health. Collagen in particular is a building block for nerves and can aid in repairing damaged nerve tissues. Enjoy a warm cup of nourishing bone broth to give your nerves a boost. Beetroot juice. In the third spot, we have beetroot juice. This vibrant drink is a powerhouse of nutrients, including antioxidants and nitrates. Studies suggest that the nitrates in beetroot juice may enhance blood flow, promoting better circulation to nerves and potentially preventing damage. A glass of beetroot juice could be a tasty addition to your nerve-friendly regimen. Turmeric latte. Turmeric latte takes the stage in our fourth pick. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties may contribute to nerve protection and repair. Sip on a soothing turmeric latte to harness the neuroprotective benefits of this golden spice. Blueberry smoothie. Berries make a delightful appearance in our fifth selection, the blueberry smoothie. Blueberries rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins have been linked to improve cognitive function and nerve protection. Blend up a delicious blueberry smoothie to infuse your diet with nerve-loving nutrients. Ginger lemon tea. Our final drink is a refreshing ginger lemon tea. Ginger boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that may support nerve health. Combined with the vitamin C from lemon, this tea becomes a delightful concoction for your nerves. Enjoy a cup of ginger lemon tea to soothe and nurture your nervous system. Now that we've explored these nerve-nourishing drinks, it's important to note that incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet is key for overall nerve health. Remember to consult with your healthcare professional for personalized advice tailored to your individual needs. And there you have it, the top 6 drinks to repair nerves and prevent nerve damage. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more health insights, and let us know in the comments which drink you're excited to try. Until next time, sip your way to nerve wellness and stay healthy. Subscribe for more health and wellness updates. See you in the next video. Cheers to happy and healthy nerves.